Hi, welcome to On the Spot. Today we have Scott.
Hello.
So, Scott, why do you train?
Why do I train? I have a medical condition, diabetes type 2, but also I enjoy it. I've gotten to the point now where I really love training and I'm really motivated to come because I really enjoy my coaches and the atmosphere at the gym. So yeah, that's why I train.
Very good. I was actually going to say, well, why do you train here at Elements for Life?
Well, the whole place is just enjoyable as hell, you know, being able to come in and say hello, and that's one of the rules, you know, but also being able to just have fun, you know, just walk around and have fun and see people and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, the community part of it, but also, you know, I feel valued as part of it. So.
Good. And what type of training do you enjoy the most?
None of it.
That's not good.
No, actually, I really enjoy all facets of it. I mean, I'm not the best at everything, but I'm willing to give it a shot. So I will try my best. My coaches say I can do it. I will give it a go.
Yep.
You know, carrying some injuries, but hey, you know, give it a try and see if you can do it.
Yep.
Is probably the best thing.
Very good.
Okay.
And what have you learned about yourself since being at Elements for Life?
I've learned that I can do it. I've learned that a lot of the time it's your head more than your body that says you can't do it. Oh, I can't do that. And you know, while we've been training, I've been presented with challenges that I've gone, oh, I think I can't do that. And my mind sort of like goes, oh, yeah, you hurt yourself and blah, blah, blah. And then you go, give it a go. And like I say, with coaches like yourself, Joe and Seb, going, give it a try. Just give it a try. You know, you can actually achieve stuff, and that's fantastic for me. That's been a great lesson.
Very good. What would be your advice to someone looking to start?
Just stick with it. Just stick with it. I've been training since 2002 at various gyms. This is my latest iteration gym. And the advice I'd give anyone is basically stick to it. You know, if you don't consistently feel like coming to training, yeah, okay, fine. Get it a habit. Make it an automatic. I train early in the morning because that works for me, because it's basically roll out of bed, have a shower, get changed, come to the gym, do a workout and then go. Because then I'm done. That's my day. But no, the only thing I would say is, yeah, when you really can't face it, when you really can't try another step, then just take that other step. Just force yourself past that point. Yeah, just do it. Yeah. Why not?
All right, last question. Name 3 things that have supported greater success in regard to your fitness and health.
Okay, well, the coaches. I believe that the coaches work with me to achieve my goals. Even if I don't know what those goals are. And sometimes I'm a little bit nebulous on the goals. I don't actually believe in goal setting, but that's another conversation for another day. But I do believe that there are people who will help me, and it's reaching out to those people and actually saying, yes, I need help. Yes, how do I do this? How do I do that? Second thing is, yeah, persistence. Being able to come every time and do a workout and, yeah, you know, go away and okay, fine, come back again. And that's the persistence thing. That's actually continuing the effort. And sometimes it's hard, and sometimes real life intervenes, and I know that. But it's not giving up in your, and that's the third thing, not giving up on yourself.
Yeah.
Not actually going, well, you know, I can't do that, so therefore it's not worth me coming. Try it again, talk to your coach, talk to the people around you. You know, wealth of information walking around the floor. People who have tried stuff and who will not hesitate to help you.
Absolutely.
That's why this is a great gym, because it's got a community. It's got that pool of talent that you can call on. You know, it's the coaches, it's the people, it's the whole vibe of the thing.
Excellent.
All right.
Well, thank you very much, Scott.
You.
That is On the Spot.